don't get a choice in the matter. Crouched down in the classroom with the lights off. Some die at the hands of another, and some people build the hills that they die on. And bullets don't discriminate like people do. They don't care about what you claim to believe. And if you think that death is just the unfortunate cost of freedom, you will live and surely die in irony. You once said that empathy is made up, that you can't stand it, it's some new age type of you. You probably wouldn't feel a thing if I was gunned down, but I am nothing like you. 'Cause violence is a bed in which we wake up. It is heavy, it is twisted, it is silent. It is bullets, blood, and burning bodies.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm